when the Lord comes to the devotee. This is a true personal experience that happened during a trip with my family. One day we were returning from Kalahasti after visiting the temple. According to tradition, after visiting the temple there, people usually avoid going to other temples on the same trip. Our school was also going to resume the next day, so we could not go to Tirupati, even though it was right in front of us. That made me a little sad because Lord Vishnu is my favorite deity, and the Tirumala temple was so close. While driving on the highway, we began to feel hungry and decided to stop at a place to eat. The location itself felt special. In front of us were the Venkatachala hills. The restaurant there was named Hotel Padmavati. After we finished eating, something unexpected happened. Inside the hotel, there was a small idol of Lord Vishnu. The moment I saw it, I felt a strong connection and I really wished I could have it. But of course, I did not ask anyone for it and I just admired it quietly. Then something surprising happened. One of the hotel staff came up to us and gave us the idol. We did not ask it for at all. They simply approached us and handed it over. At that moment, it felt like the Lord Himself wanted to come with His devotee. It reminded me of a beautiful quote. When the devotee cannot go to see the Lord Himself will come to the devotee. But this miracle did not end there. Later, we realized something even more surprising about the idol. The idol is Swayambhu, meaning it was originally made by humans but chosen by the Lord Himself as His home. Whenever the milk is poured on the idol during Abhishekam, something unusual happens. The milk that touches the crown, the cheeks, and the forehands of the idol turns into curd instantly. What makes this even more surprising is the material of the idol should not cause milk to react like that, and certainly not instantly. Even pure curd does not turn milk into curd instantly. Yet this phenomenon continues to happen. And even beyond that, the idol seems to show other mysterious signs like changes in its facial expression, appearing at times neutral, happy, serious, or in a different mood. The miracles continue to happen. And what this story also tells us is science is the creation of God, and God can act out of it, and He is not bound by it.